Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you are fine. Now, this is your computer class, and this is your computer book, Smart Byte. Students, we have learned about chapter 1, computer a machine, and chapter 2, parts of a computer earlier in unit test 1. Now we will read about the using chapter number 3, using a keyboard. Do you know what is keyboard? Student, chapter number 3 is keyboard. Okay, can you tell me what do we use for writing in our notebook? Yes, we use pencil or pen. Another question, second question is, what your teacher use for writing on the blackboard? Yes, she use chalk for the writing on the blackboard. Okay, can you write with the help of pencil or pen on the computer? No, you cannot. You cannot use pencil or pen for writing on a computer. We use keyboard for writing on a computer. Students, keyboard looks like this. This is a keyboard. Now we will read about the keyboard today. Using a keyboard, we write something on a piece of paper using a pen or pencil. Same like that I told you earlier, we use pencil or pen for writing. We type on a computer using a keyboard. इसी तरह से a keyboard has a different keys. कीबोर्ड के थ्रू हम कंप्यूटर पर राइटिंग कर सकते हैं और एक कीबोर्ड हैज़ so many different keys. A keyboard has around 104 keys. Let us learn about the various keys on a keyboard one by one. First, we will learn about the alphabet keys. With the help of alphabet keys, you can type letters, words, or sentences. There are 26 alphabet keys marked from A to Z. Students, in this keyboard, the yellow color keys are alphabet keys from A to Z. These are 26 in numbers. We can write sentences, letters from these keys. Next, we have the number keys. The number keys let you type number on a computer. These are also known as numeric keys. Another name of what is another name of number keys? Yes, numeric keys. We can also call numeric keys to the number keys. There are 10 number keys from 0 to 9. There are 2 sets of number keys as shown in images given below. Here is the red color keys you are looking on the keyboard now. These are number keys 0 to 9. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9. These are 10 in numbers. On the right side of the keyboard, there are another set of number keys. There are 2 sets of number keys on the keyboard. Another key we have space bar key. The space bar key is used to insert space between the words. It is the longest key on the keyboard. In this keyboard, there is a red color key is called space bar key. It is used to give space between the words. When you write one word, you give one finger space between the words. So, this key is used to give space between the words. Now, we will read about the enter key. As we type on a computer, the mouse pointer is changed to a cursor. We press the enter key to move the cursor to the next line. Students, you are looking here on the keyboard. This is a red color key. Red color keys are known as enter keys. We have two enter keys on the keyboard. One this and another is this. We have two enter keys. Next we have enter keys are used to move next line. When we writing in the continuation and line is finished, we move to the next line now. So in computer we use enter key for moving to the next line for writing. Next we have delete and backspace key. The delete and backspace key are used to erase the mistakes done while typing. The delete key deletes the character to the right of the cursor. Students, when you make some mistakes, what do you use? You use eraser like this. When you by mistake written any word wrong, so you use eraser for erasing the wrong word. Same like that, delete key is used for erasing the wrong word from the right side. Here is the word is keyboard. The spelling of keyboard is KEYB, and we have written from typing double B here and OARD. Then one B is extra. Now we will delete this B. So when we place cursor, this is a cursor. We place cursor here and we will delete B from the delete key. We will delete the B from the delete key. Okay. Next we have the backspace key. The backspace key is deletes the character to the left of the cursor. Here is another example of the backspace key. Here is the spelling of keyboard. KEYB. Here we also have written double B here, OARD, but spelling is right spelling. What is the right spelling of keyboard? KEYBOARD. This B is extra here, so we want to delete this B. Then we will use backspace key for deleting this B here. So backspace key is used to character from the left to the cursor. Okay. Next we have arrow keys. Arrow keys are used to move the cursor in the left, right, up or down direction. In this picture on the keyboard, you are looking red color keys. These keys are known as arrow keys. Here, 4 arrows here. It is for up, it is for down, and this is for right, and this is for left. We want to move cursor from these direction. If we want to move the cursor from the upside, we will use this arrow, and if we want to cursor left side, we will use this arrow, and we want to move cursor from the down, we will use this arrow, and if we want the right, then we will use this arrow. So these are arrow keys